Hello, adventurers. I just got my picture taken with Santa. Oh, my mother's just gonna be like loving it. All right. Okay, my Christmas is just really good now. It's starting right now. I'm feeling good. I just had eggnog and I'm just feeling jolly. I just seen the jolly old guy, Santa himself. And now I'm feeling so good and wonderful. Oh man, I'm feeling good. And look here, everybody. We got live animals, farm animals, sheep, goat. And then what we have? We have goat, we have sheep. You know, I missed it last time. Lincoln Center have live reindeer. Oh yeah, if you saw that, the live reindeer were in Lincoln Center. And now we have real live animals here. Oh, this is an alpaca. Alpacas. Hello, alpaca. This is a product for Peru and Bolivia in South Carolina. Yeah, that's right. Alpacas are direct cousins of the llamas. Oh, my mother was here. She'd love to see this. A brown alpaca. Alpacas. Ah, they're beautiful. Llamas, no. Alpacas, beautiful. I don't know. Llamas are very boring. Alpacas are beautiful. I love a beautiful alpaca. Okay, alpaca. Alpaca. Hello, little. You know, you gotta watch out because some of these things do spit. Alpaca. Beautiful, beautiful. A beautiful animal. Hello, little goat. Oh, little goat.
Oh my god.
Ooh, 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 beautiful. Come on, kids, pet it.
No, he won't.
Oh, 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 there you go. Fine hair, fine hair.
They're definitely warm.
Ah. Ooh, paca. Love it. Oh boy. Look at this big cow. Hello, cow. And this poor homeless goat, he must be freezing. Oh, what happened, little goatie? No one's playing with you? Ah. Oh man, this is cool. Wowee. Big cow. Big cow with a hump. First I thought it was a camel. Camels? Okay. Camels. Oh, look at this sheep. Things are now heating up here at the Marina. We have everything going here. Huh? Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's the start of December, and December to remember. Here at the Marina. Marina and Resort Village West here in good old 219, Stockton, California. This is all the fun and parties at. We got live entertainment, boys. Adventures, we got live entertainment. Look at this. Rock, rock, run, Rudolph. Take a merry-go-round, yeah. Oh yeah! Oh man, we got styrofoam. Look at this, fake snow, everybody. Merry Christmas, everybody. Yeah. Oh yeah! Woo!
I warmed up.
Yeah.
Alright, good afternoon, my best evening. Good evening, Stockton Village West Marina Resort. How's everyone doing?
Yeah!
Neil there. Man, it's cold.
Woo! Yeah, he'll tell me that.
Hope you guys are staying warm. We got lots of festivities. We got petting zoo, we got face paint, we got Santa. Santa's very warm, so take a picture of them.
Yeah, we got a free picture. Everything's awesome. And it's cold. What's going on here, everybody? Oh, we got a Salvation Army here. Alright, you got Salvation Army here. Oh yeah, live entertainment here at the Marina. You know what? I'm freezing my fingers off. I should have brought some gloves. I know. I just got out of the house to do this. And I'm doing it for all you adventures. I'm not even getting paid for this. I just doing it because of the love of Christmas, the love of the holidays. I can only go in places. I'll tell you, if there was anything going on with Christmas in this town, I wish I didn't call myself, because I could have easily been video blogging everywhere and say, adventures everywhere. Well, you know, I can only go one place at a time. This is correct. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. You go down in history. That's right, you go down in history. Oh yeah! Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas there, Richard. Hope you're planning all your Christmas holidays things. All of the kids, remember, make your list. Find out what good old Santa Claus is gonna give to you. Remember, he always checks his list twice. You better be naughty. You better be nice, because naughty kids don't get nothing. Okay. Adventures. Woo! Sorry about. This is great. Santa Claus. Is there a long list to go and get some ice cream? I don't even have this dinner. Ho ho! Yeah, Merry Christmas. Adventures, I am feeling so good. I'm feeling so good. I feel so good. Adventure team. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I can never get sick of this song. I love Rudolph. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Ha ha, yeah. love this holiday. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Woo! Way to go! Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this.
Let me tune real quick. I'll be faster than parts. Give me 5 partridges in a pear tree.
Oh yeah. Did I heard right? They're supposed to be Christmas carolers here. Christmas carolers. Well, maybe they're late. And we got the fire department here. We got Salvation Army here. We got the fire department coming over. Are they part of the entertainment? Who knows? Who knows? They could be part of the entertainment. You know, I remember one time, a long time ago, around my neighborhood, they used to get the old fire truck and they have kids giving away little tiny candy canes to everyone. Candy canes. Oh, I used to love it. Those were good old days. When the fire department bring on the old Christmas fire truck, and then they sound the siren saying, "Everybody, ho ho ho, come outside, get your tiny free candy canes." That's right. Well. Well, the fire department's here. This is great. Yeah, I know. Hey, you know who it is here? The Grinch. It's the Grinch, everybody. It's the Grinch. Who would have thought the Grinch is here? Hello, Grinch. He's a good one, Mr. Grinch. We love the Grinch, do we? Oh, we love the Grinch. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Sueño años felicidad. This song is so good. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Sing it with me, adventures on my heart. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Sing with me, everybody. Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my frozen heart. It's cold here. Feliz, feliz. Feliz Navidad, sueño años felicidad. Oh yeah, adventures. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Sueño años felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh yeah, I love the song. You want to know what I'm doing? Here's. Everybody think I look like Jay Leno. I think Jay Leno would have been like. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm freezing my. Oh my heart, I love it. Merry Christmas, everybody. Have a happy holiday, everybody. From my heart to yours. I love Christmas. All right, that was cool, isn't it, everybody? That was cool. I think people are waiting in lines just to get ice cream. I brought my money. I'm gonna buy some ice cream. My mother would be pissed if I ate some ice cream and don't get dinner. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. The Grinch. The Grinch. All right. We've seen Santa. We've seen the Grinch. We've seen live entertainment. We've seen Chris boats. We see a fire truck here for no apparent reason. We see live animals. Inflatable animals. Not real life. I mean, this is the 209 at its finest. Now, David from Fresh Bake, you think that Southern California can outdo this? Then you gotta come here tomorrow night and check out the Chris Boat Parade. Before that, we have Chris Keller's. Oh yeah, I think we have a Christmas tree lighting next Saturday at the Miracle Mile. Oh yeah, the Miracle Mile. Carolers. Then we light another Christmas tree at the Miracle Mile. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. Okay, right? We have live animals. Small live farm animals. Oh yeah. Woo! As we see big farm animals here. As we say goodbye to this event, I gotta call it a day. I've been, before this, I was grocery shopping. Huh? Well, even I need to eat. I better go home because my mom might think, where the heck is he went? It looks like Pekka got a little tired, so he's taking a little rest. And we got a furry little, what is that, donkey? We got, hello, Pekka. Oh man, this is cool. Hello, Pekka. Oh, yeah, Pekka got tired. And he wants to rest. Good thing he's all furred up because we humans are not furry. Yes.
Oh, they're over there.
We got little animals here. We got goats. We got.
Oh my God! Can I brush your beard?
Oh. Yeah, Pekka. The poor little Pekka. Okay. Poor little Pekka, he's just freezing the concrete. Well, he's not hungry anymore, he's just resting. Well, I'll say goodbye to the full grown up Pekka. One more time. Let's see. Full grown, I think, is a dark brown alpaca or a black alpaca. Brown alpaca. Look at this goat. Hello, goat. Okay, alright. Okay, everybody, let's go. Okay, now it's time for me to head on out. Alright. Okay, everybody. I hope you had a good, wonderful time. Now I'm going home to warm up, eat up, and have a good time. Okay, everybody. I'll let you come with me all the way down. We're going home. Oh yeah, we're going home. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna do a lot of things. We're gonna. Hey, things are fun. I got my picture taken with Santa. I couldn't ask for anything else. Oh, now they're parking over there. Good thing I live not far from here, so I don't have to park. I just walk home. Oh man, this is good. I need to walk. I didn't get. My mother always tell me, you should walk some more. Walk some more. Walk. Walk is healthy. Day or night. Mostly daytime, because at night and winter time, it's freezing. Okay. Alright. Okay. We are on our way home. I'm freezing my britches here. Woo. Who says December is very, very cold at night? You know, it's kind of funny because early last month it was 70 degrees, early November. And all of a sudden when the clouds come in, it turns everything into a freezer here. Yeah. Ever been in a walking freezer? Well, that's how it is at night here. It gets freezing, cold, miserable. You know what adventure is how it is. It gets freezing, it gets cold, and it gets miserable. So, now, everything is okay. Okay, I'm walking home, having a good time, having a well time. I'm hoping that all of you have a great holiday season, because you know what? It is going to be festive. Let's see. Tomorrow, I might do something. Then Sunday is the Stockton Pops Symphony Orchestra, and that's where we'll come next. I'll be a little warmer by that time. Good, I'll be indoors instead of outdoors. That's okay, adventurers. We're having a good time. I couldn't ask for anything better than this. I'm having a great all the time. I got my picture with Santa. I'll try to download the picture. See, I got my picture with Santa. Mama's gonna laugh. I say, see, I told you. Yeah, I'm gonna be the only 51-year-old mature man taking his picture with Santa who still believes in Santa. I still believe in Santa. Oh boy, adventures. We are having a good time. Oh. Santa, 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 I love. Oh. Give me a free cake. Oh, thank you. Oh man, that just made my day. You know what, adventures? It makes everybody's day. Because Adventure Team, we're here. And we're having a good time. And to me, I couldn't ask for anything else. I am so happy. I am so, wow. I could have stayed there a little longer, but for what? I already got my Christmas fixed. And now it's time for me to go home and sleep well. Muddle up, everybody. Yeah, Justin Scott's gonna go home and sleep well. You know what, Justin? Where are you, Justin? Somewhere in Florida, maybe warmer. It's gotta be warmer here when we're there in Florida, Orlando. He's in Disney World. So if you go to Justin Scott YouTube, you will see him at Disney World. Oh, I wish I could go to Disney World. I just don't have the access or the connections or the finances to get there. Okay, so I can't get to over there, but I can sure get. I can sure maybe do something locally. You know what, adventures? I'm gonna try to find some local things we can do for New Year's. I know every year I always wish a Happy New Year for my house. I want to maybe shake things up a little bit. You think I should shake things up this time of year? I should shake the booty, shake the body rhyme, shake it all the time. Okay, adventurers. We're here having a good time as I walk home. Oh boy, this is a long, this is a violent walk. Hi. Oh boy, adventures, it is freezing cold. Freezing cold? Freezing cold. But I'm willing to do this because I care about you, adventurers. I care every last one of you. And you know what, adventurers? I'm in a good old time. Good old time. Okay. Whew. Oh, let's go. Hi. All right. Everyone's getting the holiday spirit. Everyone's getting the holiday spirit right now. Decorate everything with Christmas lights. I just passed by a mother decorating her baby carriage with Christmas lights. Oh, that's a great creation for Christmas. Get your kid ready for Christmas. You know? Oh yeah. One thing I forgot to mention here at the 209. We might go to Douglas Road. Not Meadow Avenue, because that's Christmas Tree Lane. They deck out all the houses with Christmas lights. Every last one of them. From top to bottom, Christmas lights. You know, I used to love it. Christmas lights, I love it. We have Christmas everywhere. You name it, Christmas. I can't get it's like this house. Decorated Christmas lights, let me tell you. Look at this. Oh yeah. Remember, this is a little taste. This is my neighborhood. They don't get into the Christmas spirit as much. Not every house is decked with Christmas lights. But wait a minute. Look at what we have here. Look at that house. Decked with Christmas lights. And this is Mr. Noel. They always have the Noel every December. So, as you can tell, adventurers, we are at the crisp of things, knowing that we're getting counted down to Christmas, and I'm counting down to everything Christmassy. Are you? Yeah. Loving Christmas. Loving everything Christmassy. Now I'm just gonna go home, relax, take it easy, take my shoes off, and I'm just gonna take a break because whew, this is a lot of walking. But I didn't walk too much. Okay. Okay. So here I am. Ooh. Spot. Forgot. At night, sometimes you can't find a speed bump. That's okay. Raising my britches. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. As I'm almost a few blocks away from my good old abode, I will say bye-bye today and see you on Sunday. Maybe I'll see you on Monday. I'm recording. I might do a live Facebook, so check me out on Facebook on Sunday. And then I'll see you on Monday for the YouTube download. So, adventures. Also, I want to dedicate this episode of this broadcast to a special woman in my life. Might be living in Pacifica or Lodi. Her name is Holly S. Yeah, she works for some dispensary called Lit in Pacifica. She loves animals, so I dedicate this showcase broadcast to her because she likes live animals. So, Holly, I hope you enjoy. Somebody could tell this broadcast is meant for you. Until then, this is Lawrence of Adventure Team signing off for now. Adventure Team out. Bye, everybody, and good night.